What the heck are exosomes? We hear these words, but we don't even know what they are. So in this world of regenerative medicine, I would like to introduce you to Plated. It's our newest skincare line that we're carrying. Plated uses something called exosomes. But what the heck are exosomes? We hear these words, but we don't even know what they are. Exosomes are these little microscopic vesicles that are inside the cell, and they get released to the other cells with instructions on what to do. So if a cell is not producing enough collagen elastin, it's like, let's go, fibroblasts, let's get these cells moving, let's get the collagen elastin produced. And it's going to treat a variety of issues. If you have a lot of redness, it's going to help with that. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, it will help with that. There are a couple different products that Plated offers. One is the Intense and the other is the Daily. It's recommended that everybody starts with the Intense one for about 6 to 12 weeks. You have to do it in this order. You wash, tone, and then you put the Plated on your skin and you leave it alone for 5 minutes. You let everything seep in. Plated does not do well if you have kind of oils or moisturizers on your skin. It doesn't penetrate it well. So it's got to be on clean, fresh skin. You've got to do this twice a day for about 6 to 12 weeks. Once you've done the Intense regimen, you switch over to the Daily regimen, and then you use that twice a day. There are over 1 trillion exosomes in the Intense product. I mean, it is chock full of exosomes, and you're gonna see it's gonna help with so many different things. And then they have a hair oil. It drops on like an oil, but it doesn't leave any oily film. It's very interesting. It's water-based, and it helps to improve the hair growth. You put it on your scalp, it improves your hair growth. It improves the thickness of the hair and the density of how much hair you have in a follicle. So I encourage everyone to try them out. I've been using the Intense one now for about 4 weeks, and I have a lot of red undertones in my skin, so we're starting to know it's helping with that. I would like you to check it out and leave any questions you have below.